Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a fox. Let's start off by drawing a fox that's sitting. First, a small arch here for the top of its head. Then, an upside down V shape here for an ear, and one on this side for the other ear. From those ends, draw a line coming down to the left with a short turn to the right, and one here coming down to the right with a longer line turning to the left. For the snout, draw a short line coming down from here with another short curve down like so. On either side, add a small zigzag like so for some fur. And from the left end, draw a long, gently swooping line coming down like this for the chest. On the other side, a long line curving out and down for the back. From there, draw the tail with a long line that curves down and turns to the left. Then, a sharp turn that swoops up to here. From here, add a line curving down for a leg. And back here, another curved line for the hind leg. For the last leg, two lines coming down at an angle like so. Now we can add some detail. On the snout, add a small horizontal dot here for the nose, and a dot at the top of the snout here for one eye, and one more just to the right for the other eye. From the nose, draw a super thin line that curves across, and a small zigzag for the fur pattern. Under the snout, add another really thin zigzag coming down like so. Then, from the right cheek, a zigzag coming down to the bottom of the chest here. And finally, a zigzag across the top of the tail. Next, color in the legs like so for the black fur on their paws. And also a little bit on the back edge of the ears. Finish it off with two upside down V shapes inside the ears. Next, let's draw a fox that's sleeping. Like the first fox, a small curved line here for the top of its head, and two upside down V shapes on either side for its ears. From those ends, two small zigzags for some fur. And from those, a line that curves down towards the middle that meets a flat, rounded bottom like so. A small dot at the tip for the nose, two thin lines curving up to the cheeks for the fur pattern, and two slightly curved horizontal lines for exposed eyes. For the body, start here by the ears and go all the way around to a tip here, with a sharp turn up to the cheek for the tail. Then, continue that line on the other side of the head, swooping over like so. A short curved line here for the hind leg, and a thin zigzag at the tip of the tail like this. Finally, two small upside down V shapes inside the ears, with a black edge on the backs of the ears. And now you've got a sleeping fox. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.